Lost child at mall.
Excuse me, please help me. I can't find my son.
Please stay calm. When did you last see him?
About 10 minutes ago in the toy section.
What is your son's name?
His name is Ethan.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old.
What was he wearing?
A blue t-shirt, black shorts, and white shoes.
Do you have a recent photo of him?
Yes, here is a picture on my phone.
Thank you. This photo will help us.
I am really worried.
Don't worry, we will start looking right away.
Thank you so much.
I will inform our security team immediately.
Should I keep looking too?
Please stay near the information desk. If he comes back, he will find you here.
Okay, I will stay here.
We have announced his name over the mall speaker.
I hope he hears it.
One of our security guards just called me.
Did they find him?
Yes, he is safe and waiting at the children's play area.
Oh, thank goodness.
Please come with me. I'll take you to him.
Thank you for helping me find my son.
You're welcome. We're glad he is safe.